Okay, we're just about to get off a toll road in China, and what we're going to do is, first of all, at this toll gate here, is identify which of these, and it'll be the one way over the outside section here, is the one where we've got Ren Other. We're just going to head out wide here anyway, because we're going to do it. And see if I can point this one out to you, because this is the most important time to do it. As I said, it's normally on the outside. Luckily, we're busy here, so we've got a bit of time to talk about this. Anyway, let's show you what we're talking about. ETC. ETC is not the one you want. Okay, so ETC in normal lanes, like when they're just there and there and there, they're automated lanes. ETC is not etc. It's actually their payment automated system. So anyway, we've got one of these back up the ways, a little blue card that's been issued to us by a manual gate. And the one we're looking for here when you're getting off is that little fella there. See that little upside down Y and an I? So we're looking for that column as we come in and approach and come up to a toll gate. So let's just walk you through. Can't obviously film while I'm at the toll booth. Let's just tell you a little bit about it. So we're going to arrive. There's going to be a lovely person representing the toll industry here, and I'm going to pass them that blue card. They're going to process that. An amount of RMB is then displayed on a screen. I've got my AliPay and Wechat Pay set up, and you go to the part where it displays your QR code for paying for things, and that's what you're going to put. They've got a couple of scanners pointed at you, so all you got to do is reach out with your phone with your QR code displaying for either Ali or WePay, and that toll will be automatically deducted from your payment system of choice. You'll be offered a receipt. The boom gate will go up, and away you go. You're therefore off the tollway. But anyway, if you find that video or this little video helpful, then the kind thing to do is to please like, comment and subscribe to this channel. We look forward to bringing you more of traveling around China, the sights, the scenery, the accommodations, the food, and of course buzzing around in these fabulous range of EVs that this country is producing at the moment. Of course, this Xiaomi SU7 is pick of the vehicles. It's close with the Zeekr 001, I've got to say. But anyway, look, I'm really enjoying the drive in this vehicle. We'll see you in the next video.